The C5515 EZDSB USB stick has 5 light emitting diodes, LEDs, and there are 4 of them. They're with green, red, yellow, and blue. They're connected to some GPIOs, and one is connected to a special pin called the XF. So this green LED, the S1, is a fast general purpose output bit and is directly connected to the XF pin, and we can use these instructions to clear and set, as we've seen this before. So here I am in the Code Composer Studio. This is our Hello World project, and we use this instruction to set the LED off. And here we can see the schematics. So we have this pin XF and we have this LED green connected to it, and we use these instructions to turn it on and off.